Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do a comparison between Freelancer and Upwork. As you know that both are freelance websites and both of them are doing amazing work in their field. So in today's video, we are going to discuss the pros and cons of both websites. So stick to the end of the video, and at the end of this video, you will be able to find the best one for you. Alright, first off, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so you don't miss out on my future videos. And without wasting your time, let's get into it. This is Upwork.com. And you know that we spend connects on Upwork to bid on Upwork projects. So you can search for the projects here, for example WordPress, and then you will see a list of projects on this website, and then you can see the projects. No, I want to bid on this project, and this project would cost me 6 connects. All right, and here you can see some of the details, the payment details, the previous reviews, and the jobs posted, and the hire rate as well. And you can here see the client's history. You can click on apply now, and then here you can enter your rate. Here you can write a cover letter, and you can also upload a project file as well. And here is the boost option, which is new to Upwork. You can spend connects to boost your proposal on Upwork. So on Upwork, it costs you a lot of connects to apply to a single job. When it comes to freelancer.com, you search for a project you want to apply for, and you can bid on this project just for a single connect, we can say. Freelancer.com don't call it a connect, they call it a bid. It would cost you only one bid to apply to this project. So in this case, freelancer won. Now let's come to the second thing. And the second thing is which platform have the most projects for a single term. Again, we will use the same term, WordPress, and now you can see there are almost 16,000 jobs found. Here you can see the job, and they have been posted. Some have been posted around 18 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago, then 23, 24, 24, and now let's see on Freelancer. And here you can see there are only 341 jobs found. You can see this job was posted around 14 minutes ago, then 18 minutes, 22 minutes, 41 minutes, and 1 hour ago. So now it is clear that Upwork have most projects. So Upwork won in this case. All right. And the next thing is which platform have the big projects. So let's check on Freelancer for the same term, WordPress. Here you can see $26 per hour and 142 euros for this project. And here you can see the budget of the clients, and we can also check on the next page as well. But what I have found, and according to my knowledge, that there are only few projects that have the budget above $3,000 or $5,000. All right, now let's go to upwork.com, and we will search for the same term, WordPress, and then we will see the budget of the clients. Here you can see 14 to $27 per hour, and this client have spent $500. And here you can see 15 to $30 per hour, and this client have spent 90k. And then this client have spent 20k, 20k again, and 30k as well. Now let's check on the next page. And as there are many projects on Upwork, so it means that there are many big projects as well. And on Upwork, you can also use a filter. For example, I'm going to check this box, 5k plus dollar, and then we will only see the jobs that have the budget of $5,000 and above. Now you can see this project has $7,000 budget, 9,000, 7,000, 11,000, etc. So from this we can easily say that Upwork have the most projects and Upwork have the big clients. So in this case, Upwork won. And the next challenge is which platform have the most fake projects. If a project have 0 reviews, then we will consider it as a fake project. Alright, now let's check it out. On Upwork.com, you could say that this first one don't have reviews, and then this one don't have reviews, and this one, and this one. I almost found 3 projects here in 20 jobs. Alright, and now let's check on freelancer.com, and here we could see one, another, 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 there's another, And here I could see three jobs posted with zero reviews and two other jobs posted with zero reviews. So I think that, and then here are two other projects with zero reviews. Now I can say that freelancer.com have the most fake projects as compared to Upwork. So in this case, Upwork won. Oh, by the way, I am not sponsored by Upwork. This is just a review. Now I can say that Upwork is the most expensive platform when it comes to bidding on the projects, but Freelancer is not cheap as well. There are some features that are available on freelancer.com. For example, there is a contest feature that is available on freelancer.com and it's not available on upwork.com. And here you can verify your profile as a freelancer by paying $99, and on upwork.com you don't have to pay anything. They will verify you for free. So these are the features and the pros and cons of both platforms. And now let me know in the comments which one you like the most and which one are you going to choose. And let me know if anything I have missed or if I have made any mistake in the comment section. I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, take care.